Hello, and welcome to this recording of our Accountability Rocks training. My name is Karen McVicker, and I'm one of the founders and the CEO of PowerWeek.com. Today we're going to take a look at how PowerWeek can help you build accountability in your business, both personally and for your team members. If you're looking for an overview of PowerWeek.com's basic features, we have a recorded virtual tour, and we also post our live tour and training schedule on our Facebook page. So we encourage you to like us on Facebook and check the events tab for the most up-to-date schedule. Before starting any new program, you probably want to know how PowerWeek can help you grow your business. We recently ran an Accountability Rocks challenge with over 100 participants from 8 different companies. And here's what they had to say after a 4-week accountability group with PowerWeek. 86% said they made more follow-up calls. 71% said they made more prospecting calls. 66% said they had a great month end. 57% said they put more appointments on their calendar, and more than half the participants said they increased their sales in just 1 month using PowerWeek.com. When it comes to personal and professional growth, 94% of the participants said they were more focused and organized thanks to PowerWeek.com. 83% said they had a plan, and 63% said they actually stayed on plan. 71% were more motivated and excited to build their business, 57% felt less overwhelmed, and 54% said they got more done not only in their business, but in the rest of their life as well. Accountability is all about sharing, so let's hop onto the application and take a look at the Share with Others tab. Whether you are getting things going with an accountability partner or a small accountability group, simply copy and paste your VIP code link and mail it to them. Or if they already have a PowerWeek account, check the company directory and you can add a sharing relationship with your partner or the people in your group. Your ability to view others' activity is based on your membership level. When you upgrade, you get premium sharing spots. You can view activity and run reports for the people you put up in your premium shares. If the people in your premium spots are still basic members, then you can see their activity, but they can still only view your profile because they're still just a basic member. They will also need to upgrade to be able to view activity and run reports for the other folks in the group. To promote people from a basic share to a premium share, click on the up arrow next to their name. To demote someone from a premium share back to basic, click on the down arrow. Now you've opened up a premium spot. To upgrade to a premium membership, you can click any of the upgrade links or the My Membership link in the top right corner of your screen. There are several pricing options, so you can choose the plan that's right for you. Our Accountability Rocks group program upgrades you to 12 premium shares for 8 weeks. The most effective accountability groups are between 4 to 12 members and run anywhere from 4 to 8 weeks. Having a start date and an end date is a great way to boost participation and enthusiasm for an accountability group. Our group program is $32 and includes our Accountability Rocks ebook and access to our PowerWeek training team. If you're a team leader and plan to run several accountability groups throughout the year, or plan to use PowerWeek for ongoing coaching, then you may want to consider one of our annual memberships. The annual Pro membership is only $48 and gives you a whole year with 4 premium shares. Remember, you can move people back and forth between your basic and premium shares, so those 4 spots can be made available for whomever you're actively working with. A Star membership gives you 16 premium shares for $96 a year, and our Exec membership gives you up to 64 premium shares for $192 a year. You can upgrade from Pro to Star to Exec at any time, and you always get a pro-rated credit for the value left on your current membership. Once you have a membership with premium shares, it's a great idea to organize them using tags. To create a tag for someone, click in the Tags box. Select an existing tag or type in a new tag and click Add Tag. We recommend creating an accountability group tag for each person in your group. Tags are important because they drive your custom reports. We'll see that in a minute. Once your accountability group is all on PowerWeek and sharing with each other, you'll want to get everyone using the tool. And the best way to make sure that happens is to schedule your first checkup. Once people know that they're going to be popping on a quick call and sharing their activity, you'd be amazed what they start doing. Ask everyone to read each other's profiles before the first call. It's a great way to get to know more about each other and start creating some connections. When you host your first checkup call, make sure that everyone is planning on being at their computer, on their laptop, or their iPad so they can follow along on Power Week. Everyone logs in to their own account. You don't need any screen sharing or webinar software because you're all sharing. Everyone can just follow along from their own Power Week account. My recommendation for the checkup call is that the group leader opens the call with the summary report for the previous week. So when everyone's on the call, they should all head to the Run Reports tab. Select the summary report, pick the tag group they created for this accountability group, make sure it's for the correct week, and be sure to click the Include My Info box so that your own information appears in the report. Then choose Run Report. This is a fabulous report. It combines all of the personal activity reports for your group. It is a great example of why you want to build a team and how this business lets you leverage your time. The leader should go quickly through the highlights of the report. It should only take a couple of minutes. Next, each person in the group should get an individual opportunity to share their week. You can view personal activity reports from the Run Reports tab, but I really like doing this from the Share with Others page because of the additional notes features and the ability for people to also share their activity forecasts. So I recommend everyone hops over to the Share with Others page for this next part of the call. It's up to the group leader to keep everyone moving quickly and staying positive. It's a great idea to set some ground rules up front about keeping the call short and constructive. Everyone has a tough day now and then, and we all bump into obstacles and roadblocks. You want this group to be about helping and supporting each other. However, it's important that the calls maintain a positive energy and are not allowed to dissolve into whining or complaining. So you may want to talk about that on your first call. Have a plan to call on people in a certain order and mix it up each week. When it's your turn, you can see your own information under the mirror. Share any updates to your activity forecast if your group's using that feature, and then go through your PAR and share your week. Any obstacles, challenges, or aha moments? It's great if everyone shares at least one of their pleasant surprises and then closes with one intention they have for next week. As each member takes their turn to share, you can follow along by clicking on their picture under your premium shares and viewing their activity forecast or PAR. You can also take notes about that person using the notebook feature. The notes you take will remain attached to that person's profile. It's a fabulous way to remember what they are focusing on so you can support them or any great ideas or suggestions that come up during the call. The leader should close the call by confirming the date and time for the next checkup call. That's it. The key is to have frequent, regular checkups that are quick, fun, and positive. We understand that you want to know you're signing up for something and recommending something to your team that is easy to use. Over 90% of our participants said they spent about 30 minutes or less per week on Power Week. 77% of our participants said PowerWeek.com is easy to start and easy to use. 23% said it took some effort, but they got it quickly. And nobody, 0% of the participants said Power Week was confusing and/or hard to use. We think you'll be amazed at what a little accountability can do for consistent activity, motivation, and results. Please share your success stories with us. To send your success story to PowerWeek.com, click on our support link at the top right of your screen, then select Success Story as the type of feedback. We can't wait to hear from you. Thanks for taking the time to learn how accountability rocks at PowerWeek.com.